Good morning, traders. It's a nice day to start off with Tesla tanking. Right now, Tesla is tanking $12.50 right before the opening bell. We featured it yesterday on our website. Right here, October 1st, Tesla, big short traders, lower. Tesla is tanking in pre-market right now. That gives you all the reason why you should sign up for buy now, pay later. As Tesla falls, you get paid and you don't have to have a stock account. You don't. All you have to do is call me and get your choices, and you're in the program. Tesla continues to tank. It's on our short. We featured it yesterday. We took the big short yesterday, right here, right now, and we see lower lows. I bought the $90 puts on Tesla for January 25.